Hi, and welcome to WaggMore Pet Boutique and Bakery, located in the Center Business District of Sparta, New Jersey. We opened our doors in 2017 to provide you and your dogs the ultimate shopping experience. With open arms, we welcome you into our store filled with freshly made treats and items that you will not find in a typical box store. From our fresh bakery to our seasonal items year-round, this is something for both you and your four-legged ones to leave happy with. We hope to see you soon, Chris and Toby. Hi everyone, welcome back to another easy do-it-yourself dog treat video from WaggMore Pet Boutique. As we get closer and closer to summer weather, we're going to want some cool treats for your cool pups. And what an easy way, do-it-yourself doggy froyo yogurt ice cream pops. So we'll grab a few ingredients, grab your four-legged ones, and let's get started. For today's video, you'll need a blender, box of pre-cooked bacon, peanut butter, your choice of Greek yogurt, and your choice of pumpkin puree. For an easy result, you can just grab a regular ice cube tray and you can fill up each slot. Or for today's video, we purchased these push-up pops, the empty containers which we're going to fill, and we can provide the link for them below the video. Let's grab our blender. We're going to go ahead and take the top off, and then we're going to grab our Greek yogurt and grab a spoon. We're going to go ahead and pour that into the blender. After your Greek yogurt is poured into the blender, we're going to go ahead and take a third measuring cup and we're going to fill it with peanut butter, and then we're going to scoop that right into our blend of Greek yogurt into the blender. Scoop it out really good, and then go ahead and scrape that all in. Next, we're going to grab our pumpkin puree. We're going to go ahead and open that, and we're going to grab our half a measuring cup and fill that up. Make sure it's pumpkin puree, not pumpkin filling. There is a difference. The pumpkin filling is loaded with sugars for baking. So again, pumpkin puree is the plain, just simple ingredient pumpkin. Next, we're going to grab our pre-cooked bacon. Go ahead and put a few slices in. We're going to go ahead and lock up and put our lid on securely. Fasten that up, make sure the power's on, and go ahead and we're going to blend it for a good 30 to 45 seconds. Our mix is blended really well. It's ready to pour. We're going to go ahead and either grab our ice cube trays, the mold of your choice, or from the video description below, the link for these push pops that we're going to use today. To keep the push pops standing straight up, we're just going to use some pieces of cardboard. I pre-poked some holes. We're going to go ahead and slide them straight down into the cardboard and make sure the caps are off, and we'll be ready for pouring. Alright, your doggy push pops are ready for the freezer. We're going to go ahead and put them in for overnight, and they'll be ready for the next day.